everyone! It is I, Phantom Marty, and today, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank! Now, I am the third Phantom animatronic to actually play this game. Now today we're going to be attempting these sewer levels in Ratchet and Clank. I hear that this is really hard. Now we're going to attempt it, so we have to go through all this all over again. So we're going to attempt to do this level. We're going to try. I hope the camera is set up. I think it might be is. Yeah, it is. No, we're not going back up. Might as well waste some time while we're at it. Look at that view. I love it. I love this game. Besides this level, I hate it. I didn't play it before, but I knew. Phantom Wolf told me that this level is very hard when he was a kid. Yes, we are dead. We're dead. Arr. Arr, can I even get up there? Can I? I don't know, can't I? So I'm going to have to put... Arr, that should be good, tomatoes. So we're going to be attempting to do this once again. I believe... Oh no, I have to get down here in the water. No wait, I think I have to drain it first, then... I think you all saw this a little bit of this yesterday, but we're going to be doing this drowning part of the level. So I think we're going to take out the sewer pipe. So we're going to have to go back over here. So y'all didn't see this yesterday. We didn't do this yesterday, which I was stupid enough not to do it. I saw Phantom Haley's Let's Play. Arr, can I even get down in there? Yes, I can. Victory for this Phantom! You won't die, but I'm sure you will. You'll survive in Venom's fright. I wasn't breathing for a moment, but I can't breathe because I'm a robot. So we're going to actually try to do this in one shot. We're going to try. So we have to get ahead of the water, which is kind of the trick here. Yes, I can see. I think the objective is to get ahead of the water before we... Yeah, as you can guys see, the water. Ignore these people. Ignoring you. Because I don't... Oh, this is where things start to get hard. Oh, no. No. Yes. That's actually what I wanted. Oh. Oh, no. I can't breathe. I mean, Ratchet can't breathe. One attempt at this. Oh, we're drowning. We are drowning. Ratchet's drowning. Ratchet is drowning. I'm not going to get mad. I knew we weren't going to get that one try. Okay, let's try it again. There's always obstacles. So we need to get ahead of the water is the objective of this level. So I'm just going to jump. This level is beatable. I'm just going to keep jumping a bunch of times until I actually reach the top of this level. Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to do this? I need to come up with an idea. Oh, watch that. I'm gonna try running across this way. The bad thing apart about this is that I really hate it. Let me eject it and try to get up to the top. So this is great. But the problem is that goes way down and it's way too quick. There's no way! This is unbeatable! I'm gonna start to hate this. Okay, we still got a few more minutes, maybe one more try. Oh, it's trying to mess with me. It wants me to fail. Okay, let's give it one more go. One more go and I'll end it. But we can't, then this level is unbeatable. So tomorrow, I think we're going to try it without you guys watching it. Because I didn't feel like doing this all day for a video. It's just a waste of film. We don't want to do that to you guys. So you guys won't see us complete this level. One more go. We should be able to do this. I think. I don't want that. This level is unbeatable. I think I'm done. Because to be honest, I cannot do this at all. Okay. Okay, you guys can see a little bit more of this. I think this is the last attempt. And I think I'm done for the day. We've been sliding down this water slide all day. That's actually what I wanted the entire time. If there was a sprint button, I would be using it. Alright, we're going to fail again. I can already sense the failure. Okay, I'm done. Alright guys, so please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe if you want to see some more. Wait. Alright guys, so please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. Let us know down in the comments below if you want Phantom Toy Marty to do the next Let's Play. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye everybody. I was pretty close.